Raunds, a quaint and unassuming town nestled in the heart of Northamptonshire, is a place that may not immediately spring to mind when considering the quintessential English experience. However, beneath its modest exterior lies a rich tapestry of history, community spirit, and scenic charm that deserves recognition. Raunds is small, with a population that hovers around the 9,000, but it punches above its weight in terms of character and historical significance. The town's history stretches back to the Roman era, but it is the Saxon period that truly marks the beginning of its development. This deep historical lineage is evident in its architecture, notably the Church of St. Peter, a stunning example of medieval craftsmanship with its intricate stonework and serene churchyard. Walking through Raunds, one cannot help but feel a sense of time slowing down. The streets are lined with a mix of charming cottages and more modern homes, creating a seamless blend of old and new. The town centre, though compact, offers a delightful array of local shops, cafés, and traditional pubs. It's here that the heart of Raunds truly beats, with a community that is both welcoming and proud of its heritage. A significant chapter in Raunds' history is its connection to the boot and shoe industry. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, Raunds was a hive of activity, with numerous factories producing footwear that was shipped across the country and beyond. This industrious past is celebrated in local museums and historical markers, offering a glimpse into the lives of the hard-working men and women who helped shape the town's identity. Nature enthusiasts will find much to admire in Raunds. The town is surrounded by beautiful countryside with rolling fields and picturesque footpaths that beckon for exploration. The nearby Stanwick Lakes, a haven for wildlife, provide an ideal spot for walking, cycling, and birdwatching. It's a place where one can escape the hustle and bustle, reconnecting with nature in a serene setting. Community spirit is at the core of Raunds. The town boasts an array of events and activities that bring residents together, from the annual Raunds Music Festival to the vibrant Christmas market. These gatherings are a testament to the strong bonds that tie the community together, fostering a sense of belonging and mutual support. Education in Raunds is well catered for, with schools that are highly regarded for their commitment to nurturing young minds. The town's educational institutions are seen as pillars of the community, playing a crucial role in shaping the future, while honouring the past. Transport links are another feather in Raunds' cap. Despite its rural charm, the town is well connected, with easy access to major road networks and nearby towns and cities. This makes it an attractive option for those who wish to enjoy a peaceful lifestyle while remaining within reach of urban amenities. Raunds is not just a place to live, it's a place to thrive. Its rich history, coupled with a vibrant community spirit and beautiful surroundings, make it a hidden gem in Northamptonshire. For those seeking a blend of tradition and tranquility, with a touch of industrious legacy, Raunds is undoubtedly worth a visit. It's a town that may be small in size, but is vast in heart and heritage, offering a warm welcome to all who pass through its storied streets.